Yo guys, it's Betcher here. Today we got a really short video, but I had to show because I thought it was so cute. And we got this little bottle for little kids, and it is branded with a Disney Pooh bear. And I don't know, I just thought it was so adorable. So yeah, that's gonna be a really short one. I can't really say much after just the bottle, but it's so freaking cute. So this is what it looks like. It got a nice cap, and then down here, as you can see, there's Pooh, it says NUK, it has all these notice information here, so you know how much it's in there and all that. And I don't know, it's just made quite well, good material, but it's so cute. For real though, like it feels good, it's made well, and I can't really say much else, but it's adorable, and I love Pooh Bear. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today, and I will see you around, you guys.